Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another new airdrop, which is super early and very easy to join. The airdrop is called Nebulai AI. Nebulai is a decentralized platform connecting developers and users to build and monetize AI agent solutions. They have 51K followers right now, and you can find more details here. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. The joining process is very simple for this airdrop. I'll put the link in the description. So simply click that link and you'll land on this page here. First, you need to sign up by clicking here. Then enter your email and send the verification code. Check your email for the code, copy it and paste it here. Agree the terms. Then click sign up and you're on the main dashboard. Here, as you can see, there's the node option. Simply activate the node, and as you can see, it's running every 24 hours. You need to activate it once. As you can see, the timer is running. This project will run for a very short time, so don't miss it. If you scroll down, as you can see, there are some basic social tasks you need to complete. Connect your X account, then authorize it. Click go, then follow their account. It's verifying and done. Now click go again, then share this post on X and it's done. Now join their Discord, accept the invite. And it's done. Now join their Telegram group and it's also done. There are also some daily tasks. Don't forget to complete them all. Here you can see your total details, and finally you can share your referral link with friends. I'll give you updates over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.